everybody, Scott Burnett here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Hope you're all doing well today and I hope you're having a really good week. Okay, as you can see before you, we have a Linux Mint 22.2 install and it's a working install. And what we're going to do today is go to Linux Mint 22.3 Xena, the latest release, and not have to use the terminal. I'm going to show you the easy way to do it. It won't take you just a minute. Let's go ahead and get started. So we'll go ahead and minimize that. So first off, what you want to do, you want to have a Timeshift Backup created, just in case something goes bad. So we'll go ahead and do this. Go to Timeshift, and hopefully you already have one set up. And we'll hit Create. And it's done. What we want to do is make sure the system is fully up to date right now. So you see down here we have 2 updates available. We're going to apply the Mint update and Mint upgrade update. And it'll install the packages for that. And as you can see, we have a lot more updates to go ahead and put in. And it'll update every package on it and get us ready to go to 22.3. Okay, now that we've gotten all the updates, and mine took a little bit longer because I had the NVIDIA card, we're going to go ahead and reboot the system. Make sure all the updates take place and all the packages are put in the correct area. All right, we're back. We'll go to the Update Manager. Our system is up to date, and we'll go to the File menu or the Edit menu. When we have an entry here, it says Upgrade to Linux Mint 22.3 Xena. Click that. We can read about the release notes if we want to and look at the new features. You can go to these links and do all this before you do the upgrade. Here we want to understand the risks. There's always a risk in this, but we are backed up and ready to go. So we're going to click I understand the risk, hit apply, authenticate, and it's going to go ahead and start downloading all the packages and all of the files that we need. Put them in the right place, and then we should have one more reboot. All right, finished. Took just a few minutes, and we'll go ahead and reboot one more time. All right, now here we are back at the desktop. Took just a little bit. Now, as you can see, we are at Linux Mint 22.3, and they run you through the same steps and all, but we'll look at the start menu. Start menu is different. You can customize the start menu however you want to. It's very neat. Make sure that our NVIDIA card is working. We're still on the latest driver. And there you have it. It took just a few minutes, and you have a very shiny, very clean system now. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any comments, questions, please leave them. I try to answer every one. Hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.